Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jesus Empire Automator tutorial series. In this video, we're diving into one of the most precise and powerful features, the Follow Specific Users method. Step 1, turn the Follow module on. First things first, if your Follow module is currently off, just enable it by checking this box at the top. This activates the Follow automation engine for your selected account. Step 2, select Follow Specific Users. Now let's activate Follow Specific Users. This tool allows you to manually input a list of users you want to follow. It's perfect for laser-targeted campaigns like influencers, brand ambassadors, or niche community leaders. Step 3, set the daily limit. Right below, you'll see the daily limit input field. This defines how many users you want to follow each day. In this example, we've set it to 10, which means the software will follow 10 users from your list per day, spaced out automatically using human-like delay patterns. Step 4, enter usernames. Next, paste in the usernames, one per line, like this. User 1 user, 2 user 3, and so on. You can add as many as you like, and the system will work through the list day by day. Step 5, save settings. Once you hit save settings, the automator will take over. It'll start following the specified users based on your schedule and limits. This method gives you full control and avoids unwanted or random follows, making it ideal for professional brand building and engagement strategies. Step 6, why use this method? And that's how you use the Follow Specific Users feature inside JESUS Automator. If you're focused on high-quality, intentional growth, this is the tool you need. Next, Follow Users Followers. In this section, we'll cover how to use the Follow Users Followers feature inside JESUS Automator. This method allows you to automatically follow people who are already following specific target accounts, helping you reach an audience that is more likely to follow you back. Step 1, enable the feature. First, tick the checkbox labeled Follow Users Followers to activate this method. Step 2, set your daily limit. In the daily limit field, enter the maximum number of accounts you want to follow per day using this method. For example, if you set this to 20, the automator will follow up to 20 people daily from the selected target accounts. Step 3, set max follows per source user. In the max follows per source user box, choose how many followers to take from each target account. For example, if this is set to 5, the automator will only follow 5 followers from each target username before moving to the next one. This keeps your actions looking natural and avoids triggering spam detection. Step 4, additional interaction options. You'll also see 3 optional checkboxes. Visit Target Profile, Followers Method, opens the target user's profile before following their followers. Scroll Profile. When visiting, Followers Method scrolls through the profile feed for a more human-like action pattern, like random posts. When visiting, Followers Method likes a few posts on the profile while visiting, which can help increase engagement and follow backs. You can enable or disable these depending on your strategy. Step 5, enter target usernames. In the text box provided, enter the usernames whose followers you want to follow. Enter 1 username per line. Example, user 1 user, 2 user 3. The software will pull followers from these accounts and follow them based on your settings. Step 6, save and start. Once you've configured everything, save your settings and start the automator. The tool will now begin following followers from your target accounts automatically. And that's how you use the Follow Users Followers feature to grow your account with highly relevant followers. By targeting people who already follow accounts in your niche, you increase the chances of attracting engaged, interested followers to your profile. In this video, We'll be exploring the Follow Users Following feature, a highly effective method to connect with people who are already engaging with accounts in your niche. By targeting these audiences, you can build relevant connections, increase engagement, and grow your following with precision. Step 1. Enable the follow. Module on-screen action. Check the box next to Follow Users Following. First, turn on the Follow module for this method by checking the box at the top. This activates the automation engine for the selected account. Step 2. Set your daily limit. On-screen action. Enter a number in daily limit, example 20. Next, set your daily limit. This is the total number of accounts you want to follow each day. In this example, I'll set it to 20. Step 3. Set max follows. Per source user. On-screen action. Enter a number in max follows per source user. Example 5. Now set your max follows per source user. This controls how many followers from each target account will be followed. For example, with 5 set here, the automator will follow only 5 people per target account before moving to the next one. Step 4. Optional engagement settings. On-screen action. Show ticking each checkbox. You can also enable optional engagement actions when visiting a profile. Visit target profile. Opens the profile before following. Scroll profile. When visiting, mimics natural browsing behavior, like random posts. When visiting, adds extra engagement for authenticity. Step 5. Add target usernames. On-screen action. Paste usernames into the text area, 1 per line. In the text box, enter the usernames whose following list you want to target. Add 1 username per line, like this. User 1, user 2, user 3. The automator will open each account's following list and start following people based on your limits. Step 6. Save and start. On-screen action. Click Save Settings. Once you've entered your settings and target accounts, click Save Settings. The automator will handle the rest, following people in a natural, safe pattern. Step 7. Why this method works. This method is great for targeting highly relevant users. For example, people who follow your competitors, industry influencers, or community leaders. It ensures you're engaging with audiences most likely to follow back. Step 8. Wrap up. And that's how to use the Follow Users Following feature inside Jesus Empire Automator. In this lesson, we're focusing on the Follow Followers of Own Followers feature, a smart growth strategy designed to connect you with people who are already within your extended network. By targeting followers of your existing followers, you tap into a warm audience that's far more likely to engage, follow back, and become loyal supporters. Step 1. Enable the follow. Module on-screen action. Check the box next to Follow Followers of Own Followers. First, enable this feature by checking the box. This tells the automator to run the process for your selected account. Step 2. Set your daily limit. On-screen action. Type 15 in the daily limit field, or your preferred number. Next, set your daily limit. This number represents how many accounts the automator will follow each day from the followers of your own followers. For example, if you set it to 15, it will follow 15 new people daily. Step 3. How it works. On-screen action. Show a simple diagram of your account, your followers, their followers. This feature works by looking at your existing followers, then finding their followers and following them. The idea is that these people are already connected to your network. They're more likely to recognize your profile and follow you back. Step 4. Save and start. On-screen action. Click Save Settings. Once you've set your limit, click Save Settings. The automator will start running in the background using natural delays to mimic human behavior. Step 5. Why this method works. This method is extremely effective for organic growth because it targets people who are just one connection away from you. They're already in your extended community, making them much more likely to engage with your content. Step 6. Wrap up. And that's how you use the follow followers of own followers feature inside Jesus Empire Automator. Next, in this section, we'll walk you through the follow real likers of targeted users feature, an incredibly effective way to connect with people who are already engaging with content in your niche. Step 1. Enable the feature. Start by checking the box next to follow real likers of targeted users. This activates the module and tells the automator to start targeting users who have liked reels from accounts you specify. Step 2. Set your follows per reel. In the follows per reel field, enter how many users you want to follow from each reel's like list. For example, if you set it to 2, the software will follow 2 people from each reel it processes. Step 3. Configure daily limit. Next, set your daily limit. This is the maximum number of accounts the automator will follow in a single day. Here, it's set to 25, which is a safe, moderate growth rate. Step 4. Max follows per source user. In the max follows per source user field, choose how many people to follow from each target account's combined reels. For example, if you set it to 8, the automator will not follow more than 8 users from one target account's reel likers. Step 5. Add target usernames. Finally, enter the usernames of the target accounts whose reel likers you want to follow. Type one username per line, just like this. User, 1 user, 2, user 3. These should be accounts in your niche, influencers, competitors, or brands whose audience matches your ideal followers. Step 6. Save and start. Once you've entered your settings and target usernames, click Save Settings. The Jesus Empire Automator will now automatically find the reels of your chosen accounts. Grab the list of people who like them and start following them according to your schedule. This method is perfect for attracting engaged followers, people who are already interacting with content in your niche. Use it consistently, and you'll see a steady growth of high-quality, active followers on your account. That's it for the Follow Real Likers of Targeted Users feature. In the next section, we'll cover even more advanced targeting options inside the Jesus Empire Automator. In this video, we're exploring the Follow Post Likers of Targeted Users feature, a powerful way to connect with users who have already shown interest in your niche. Step 1. Enable the feature. First, make sure the Follow module is active by checking the box next to Follow Post Likers of Targeted Users. This will turn on the automation engine for this feature. Step 2. Set your daily limit. Here, in the daily limit field, enter the maximum number of users you want to follow each day. For example, we've set this to 25, meaning the software will follow up to 25 users daily based on your settings. Step 3. Configure max follows per source user. This option, max follows per source user, controls how many people the system will follow from each target account you provide. We've set this to 8, which keeps the activity balanced and avoids triggering spam filters. Step 4. Configure max follows per post. Here, max follows per post determines how many followers will be taken from any single post. We've set this to 3 to make the process look natural and organic. Step 5. Add target accounts. In the text box below, enter the usernames of accounts whose post likers you want to follow. Add one username per line, like this. 1 user, 2, user 3. You can list as many as you want, and the system will cycle through them automatically. Step 6. Save and run. Once you've entered your target usernames and adjusted the settings, click Save Settings. The automator will then begin following post likers from your target accounts according to your limits. Why this feature is powerful. This method targets people who have already liked content similar to yours, making them more likely to engage back. It's one of the most effective ways to attract active and relevant followers. And that's how you use the follow post likers of targeted users feature inside Jesus Empire Automator. Use it strategically, and you'll grow your audience with highly engaged followers. Next, in this video, we're focusing on the follow real commenters of targeted users feature, a highly effective way to engage with people who are already active in your niche. Step 1. Enable the feature. First, check the box next to follow real commenters of targeted users to turn this module on. This will activate the automation engine for this specific task. Step 2. Set your daily limit. In the daily limit field, enter the total number of users you want to follow per day. Here, we've set it to 20, meaning the software will follow up to 20 targeted real commenters daily. Step 3. Max follows per source user. This field sets how many people you'll follow from a single target account. We've set this to 6, ensuring balanced engagement and avoiding aggressive patterns. Step 4. Max follows per reel. Here, max follows per reel determines the number of followers you take from each individual reel. We've set this to 3 to make the following pattern look natural. Step 5. Add target usernames. In the text box, type the usernames of the accounts whose real commenters you want to follow. Enter one username per line like this: user, 1 user, 2, user 3. The automator will work through this list, targeting each account's real commenters according to your set limits. Step 6. Save and run. Once you've added your usernames and adjusted your limits, click Save Settings. The system will then start following real commenters from your chosen target accounts automatically. Why this works. This strategy focuses on users who are not only viewing content, but actively commenting, meaning they're engaged and far more likely to respond when you follow them. Closing. And that's how you use the follow real commenters of targeted users feature in Jesus Empire Automator. Use this to build a follower base of highly active users. Next, in this video, we'll cover the follow post commenters of targeted users feature, an excellent way to connect with users who are already actively engaging in your niche. Step 1. Enable the feature. To start, check the box next to follow post commenters of targeted users. This will activate the automation for this module on your selected account. Step 2. Set your daily limit. In the daily limit field, enter the maximum number of users you want to follow each day. Here, we've set it to 20, meaning the automator will follow up to 20 people per day from your chosen list. Step 3. Max follows per source user. This setting controls how many people you'll follow from a single target account. We've set it to 6, ensuring your following activity stays balanced and natural. Step 4. Max follows per post. Here, you can specify the maximum number of followers to take from each post. We've set this to 2, which means the automator will follow only 2 commenters from any given post. Step 5. Add target usernames. In the text box, enter the usernames of the accounts whose post commenters you want to follow. Type one username per line, like this: user, 1 user, 2, user 3. The system will then scan these accounts, identify people who have commented on their posts, and follow them according to your set limits. Step 6. Save and start. Once you've entered your usernames and adjusted your limits, click Save Settings. From there, the automator will begin following active commenters from your targeted accounts. Why this works. This strategy is highly effective because it targets users who are not only viewing posts, but actively commenting, making them more likely to engage back when they see your profile. And that's how you use the follow post commenters of targeted users. Feature in Jesus Empire Automator. Apply this method to grow your account with people who are proven to be active and engaged. In this video, we're going to explore the Follow Real Likers from Feed feature, a great way to engage with users who are already active on the content appearing in your feed. Step 1. Enable the feature. First, make sure to check the box next to Follow Real Likers from Feed. This activates the automation for this method on your selected account. Step 2. Set follows per reel. In the follows per reel field, enter the number of people you want to follow from each reel in your feed. Here, we've set it to 1, meaning the automator will follow 1 liker from each reel it processes. Step 3. Set your daily limit. The daily limit determines the total number of users to follow per day using this feature. In this example, we've set it to 30, so the automator will follow up to 30 real likers each day from your feed. Step 4. How it works. Once activated, the automator will scan reels in your feed, find people who have liked them, and follow them according to your set limits. Because these users are already liking similar content, they're more likely to engage back when they see your profile. Step 5. Save and run. After setting your preferences, click Save Settings. The automator will then start following users automatically, spaced out with natural delays to keep activity safe and human-like. Why use this method? This is perfect if you want to grow your account by targeting people who are already active in your niche, without needing to manually search for them. And that's how you use the Follow Real Likers from Feed feature in Jesus Empire Automator. Set your limits, let the automator do the work, and watch your account grow with relevant, engaged followers. Next, in this video, we'll walk through the Follow Real Commenters from Feed feature, a smart way to connect with users who are already engaging in conversations on content in your feed. Step 1. Enable the feature. Start by checking the box next to Follow Real Commenters from Feed. This tells the automator to activate this method for your selected account. Step 2. Set follows per reel. In the follows per reel field, you can decide how many commenters to follow from each reel. Here, we've set it to 1, meaning the automator will follow just 1 commenter from each reel it processes. Step 3. Set daily limit. The daily limit controls the maximum number of people to follow in a day using this feature. In this example, it's set to 25, so the automator will follow up to 25 real commenters per day from your feed. Step 4. How it works. Once activated, the automator will scan reels from your feed, find people who have commented on them, and follow them according to your set limits. Since these users are actively commenting, they're more likely to notice and engage with your profile. Step 5. Save and run. After setting your numbers, click Save Settings and let the automator do the rest, using safe, human-like delays to mimic natural following behavior. Why use this method? This feature is perfect for building connections with highly engaged users, because if they're already talking in comments, there's a strong chance they'll interact with you as well. And that's how you use the Follow Real Commenters from Feed feature in Jesus Empire Automator. Set your limits, stay consistent, and you'll start attracting highly interactive followers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video section.